Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United Kingdom. This is a package that was sent to me by the Right Honorable Dick Gazinya. He's a reverend of such things, and yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Whoa! So there's all sorts of interesting, fascinating things in here, so let's take a look at everything. So here we have some English mustard. I don't know what makes it English, but interesting. Of course, hailing from Great Britain, this is some tea. And in this unassuming package, we have something called Marmite, which I've never had before. Been told it's you either love it or you hate it, and yeah, I guess it's the byproduct of brewing beer. It's going to be interesting. So, if you've had it, you probably know a lot more about it than I do. But I'm going to try it. A bag of green cardamom. It has a very strong scent, a very alluring scent of India. And I believe this is what the package smells of primarily. It smells like masala, and I think that's what this is. It's strong, it's crazy, it smells good. So I don't know what I'm going to put it in, but I'm sure the Reverend will clue me into some correct way to use it. And I just took a sniff of this bag. This is Kashmiri chili powder. Wow, that smells like it's got some kick to it. And never mind, this is what has the strong scent. This is Punjabi Garam Masala. It's going to be made into something, and definitely one of the spices I use. And finally, something you'd more likely expect to see in one of my unboxing videos. This hails from Bangladesh. This is Yomsu Chili Fire Extreme. And definitely can't get that over here in the States, but I'm really curious about it. And it came over in really quite good condition, so yeah, check that out. Well, thank you very much yet again to the Reverend Dick Gazinya of Devon, England, for sending this over. He's been tutoring me on the ways of making a British Indian curry. So yeah, good stuff. You should look up British Indian restaurant curry base. Look that up. It's a flavored journey. Good stuff. And yeah, looking forward to trying this and everything else. So I'll keep you updated. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.